The works in Senegal started in January 2012 and is due for completion in 31st of December 2012.
In Senegal, the client required 25 kilometres of new road and rail to transport their product to the port in Dakar. The main challenges were to maximise the local workforce and resources. We also needed to deploy the plant and equipment and provide appropriate training when necessary. Given our experience in Africa, we were able to accomplish this.
We've brought the UK standards with us to Senegal. We train to the highest standard. The problem we have, or small problem we have, is the language barrier. But to overcome that, we're having French lessons. And we also have excellent interpreters, in-country interpreters, that assist us with the training.
Sierra Leone, it was all about trying to make the best of the weather conditions, particularly in the rainy season, to get work done when there's too much water. In Senegal, it's completely opposite. The key to success is getting the water, finding the water and mixing it with the sand so we can get the compaction rates.
Dawnus came recommended by a third party. They were one of, I think, 4 bidders that we had to a site visit. Not the cheapest bidder, as it turned out, but definitely the most proactive of the bidders in terms of coming up with solutions for the project.
On a practical basis, one of the greatest challenges was to source enough water to be able to introduce the correct amount of moisture into the sand and achieve the high compaction values required for road rail construction.
The aggregates are hot, the sand's hot, everything that goes into the mix, even the water that comes out of the ground. You put them all together, you're going to be well out of specification with the total heat of it. So we've built a cool room, we've got air conditioning in there, and then on top of that we have a chiller that actually chills the water and takes it down to around 12 degrees.
One of the day-to-day challenges of working in the desert is dust suppression, which we implement with our fleet of specially modified dump trucks.
We test materials on site, i.e. soils or concrete, and make sure they meet the specifications that are laid down by the client.
Highly organised when they get to site. They've got all the equipment, they've got good logistics, good support from back in the UK, and they respond very quickly.
Respect me and they respect all my teams. We work as a family, we eat as a family, we chat as a family, and even though we dance as a family.
On a daily basis, we set them up and we supervise them fully. We're quite lucky here. There's a lot of them who've got experience, but they're testing to French standards. We are testing to British standards here, so there is a slight deviation there that we have to obviously check and make sure that they are testing to the right procedures.
We, Dawnus, choose expats that are not only highly skilled in a profession, but they're all supervisors, and basically they train and teach the local nationals, and the work we've done so far has been all with local nationals, with just Dawnus expats supervising and leading them.
The team we have there are very good guys that have worked on several projects with us previously, and it gives me great satisfaction to see these guys transferring their skills to the local workforce.
They bring a very highly trained team of people to Senegal. They have done for our job, and that's made them a big difference. They've got I would say, a much higher ratio of supervision to, I guess, non-national, national supervision than is normal, and that's reflected in their schedule. They smash schedules.
We've just completely set up the batching plant. We started work on the dry mill out there. We've got all the reinforcement and the shutters ready for pour concrete. We've already got 6 concrete pours ready to pour, which is advanced on the programme, and hopefully when we get our test results through, we'll start concrete, and we should get the 6 pours in 6 consecutive days.
Have good leaders, very good leaders, those who has experience about leading people.
All the works are on programme at the moment, and the reason for that really is that we've able to improve on the outputs that we envisaged at tender stage. That's a testament to the skill of the team and the guys on the ground.
Work, we don't have any on at the moment, but if there is, we would use Dawnus, or definitely bid to them again. Dawnus is one of the few companies that I've recommended to other people to put on their bidders list, and I don't do that lightly.